You've got to be more careful.
Teddy's right, Ryan. That plastic bottle won't decompose for 450 years.
Trash doesn't disappear from nature once you make it disappear from your boat. It takes about 5 years for a cigarette butt to decompose. You don't smoke, do you?
No.
Well, it's not just cigarettes. It takes 50 years for a soda can to decompose.
I bet it'll take 1,000,000 years for glass to disappear.
Actually, more than 1,000,000 years. But decomposition aside, your trash in the water and along the shore just looks nasty. And even worse, it harms wildlife. Animals can get sick from eating it.
Sea turtles confuse plastic bags for jellyfish. They eat it and then they get sick.
And wildlife officials have found shorebirds tangled up in those six-pack holders and other litter.
Your trash is harming animals and ruining their natural habitat.
All right. We'll head back to the marina and dispose of our trash correctly.
Speaking of back to the marina, we should probably head that way.
Did you notice? Your marina has been certified as a clean marina.
Yeah, I saw that. What does that mean?
It means your marina is using the most environmentally sound management practices available.
I like the sound of that.
Plus, they have sewage pump-out facilities.
That pumps me up.
But no, seriously, it is illegal to dump your holding tank within 3 miles of the coast, and that's no joke. In fact, some localities are making entire creeks no discharge zones.
Do you want to swim in water where sewage is dumped? Or eat seafood from contaminated waters?
You can check the internet for a list of all of the clean marinas. Well, Teddy, you and Ryan here did an excellent and responsible job of blinging your boat. I'm really impressed by your respect for the waterways.
We couldn't have done it without you two ladies.
Yeah, we were your inspiration.
And that deserves a special thank you, environmental divas.
Yeah. How about we go get some cheeseburgers and head off our sunset cruise?
Sorry, Ryan, I have other plans. But now that you got this blinged out boat, I'm sure you won't have any trouble finding company to join you.
Nice boat.